Search up Gangnam Style.
Could you make the song play out?
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자. 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자. 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So, today we'll be doing Guess
What
the
song
Is. She keeps on doing that when we were rehearsing.
Okay, so today we're going to be doing Guess What the Song Is song. I have 10 songs. Zara has 10 songs. And she's going to have to guess my 10 songs that I'll be giving her.
Then Kizzy will have to guess my 10 songs.
Yep, and the person that gets the most songs, what are they going to win?
Get a feet massage.
Ew. You little people them see your dirty, ugly feet.
No, I showered.
What? You showered, so that makes your feet not ugly.
So are yours.
I lie, my foot look better than yours.
No.
Anyways.
We have the same foot. Okay.
So, I have my song on my phone. I download them. Zara has her song on her tablet. And we're going to begin. Do we have anything else to say?
Oh, how many minutes should we get?
Oh. 30 seconds.
Okay.
I always say 30 seconds and then I'll be like, that's too short.
Let's do one more minute. So,
but today, 30 seconds. No, the song is going to be playing for 30 seconds. The song is going to play for 30 seconds and we have 3 guesses. 30 seconds to hear the song and we have 1 minute to answer the song. So yeah.
How many minutes for massaging?
15 minutes.
What?
15 minutes.
Well, check out the other video when we did what's inside the balloon. She's like, oh my god, 5 minutes is so long, and now she wants 15 minutes.
Because I'm not gonna lose.
She's gonna lose.
I'm not losing. That's why I need 15 minutes for my feet. I need a good feet massage.
There, you got it.
So it's gonna take 15 minutes because I don't plan on losing this challenge. So I was going to pick some Jamaican songs, but then I know that it's gonna be unfair. So I try to stick strictly in America music.
I stick in America. I
hope this doesn't backfire on me. So we're gonna begin now. So who's gonna go first? You go first.
Okay. So
can you wait? Let me set the timer, girl. That's an ugly song.
I love it. It's going down.
Oh.
I'm young. You better move. You better dance.
17 minutes.
You won't remember. You mean seconds. One. You won't forget.
Okay. All right. It's going down.
Okay, so it's going down.
All right. Second one. It's going. No, I'm just singing it. I'm trying to sing it. Okay. It's going down. It's Yelling Timber.
You got one of those words is correct.
It's going down. It's Yelling Timber.
What is it?
Yes, Yelling Timber.
What one of those words is?
It's going down. It's going down. It's going down, Timber.
Yes.
Yes.
It was Timber.
Timber.
She's lucky.
Yes.
So she gets
So I got a point. I need to write this down. 1. Your turn. Oh, my turn. Okay, it's my time now.
I want to hold the phone.
No, I get you. I didn't hold your tablet, so why you want to hold the phone?
Fine.
Oh, I forgot to put it on music. Oh my god, so slow. All right, don't look at the thing. Let me put up my screen to hide it.
I'm so scared.
Okay.
Okay.
What should I give her first? Okay.
Today, Kizzy. Okay, go. Did you search up Gangnam Style?
do you make the song play out?
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 이런 말던 있는 여자. 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 걸 선호해.
Okay, she got Gangnam Style.
You should know that. Everybody knows that.
I know. I don't know what I was thinking. I just can't think of no American music in my head at the moment. You know, like
You should have searched it.
I know, but you know, like you have so much songs when you hear them on the radio, be like and singing to them. But as soon as you're supposed to think about one, you go blank. I go blank. I'm like, what the hell? What am I gonna pick? I don't know what to pick.
Okay.
Okay.
Next song.
Oh, I'm not looking, you know.
Put the time on.
Oh, sorry.
I don't need no
Oh, we
cheaters
didn't even
around
put it
here.
when I was doing it. Okay. I'm so slow.
Today, Kizzy.
Okay, I'm coming. Ready. Oh my God.
Talking in my sleep, but now you making myself crazy. Out of my mind.
I can see the screen. You know?
It's not showing.
Hoping it would save me.
Alright, stop. Out of my mind.
No.
Don't shake the thing. Shaking the camera. I got no roof. I got no. That's not it. I got no roof tomorrow.
It
that's
was
Target.
new rules.
No rules. I thought I heard roof.
New rules.
I got new rules.
I
I call
can-
them. That's a song.
It's just I got new rules.
Ah.
No, it's just new rules.
Alright, none of us get a point for that.
Yeah.
No.
I get a point.
I don't get a point. It doesn't have to do with you. This has to do with me.
Okay, fine. No point.
Okay, my turn. Ready? Are you ready? You sure you
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, go. You know I can know by the song if it keeps on repeating it.
You have 19 seconds, so just listen to the music.
I can hear something keep on repeating. I like that. I like that.
Goes out to all my players out there, man. You know,
Okay,
they got that one good girl.
what is it?
It kept on repeating one word.
But you have to get the word right. That's the thing. We have to get every word correct in order to get it
go.
correctly.
First word I'm going to say is nobody.
No.
Second word is beat it.
Beat it. Did you hear beat it in this song?
I just made it up. No, I want to try. It kept on saying lonely.
That's it.
Yeah,
That alone?
yeah,
You sure that is it?
yeah.
You sure? You wanna? I can give you a switch if you want.
Nope, nope, nope.
Yes. Please, sit down. Don't get all excited. We have 10 tries. You gone
2.
2.
Okay.
You just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Baby, another where you standing face to face. You already know that you want. I know that trust is going with regret.
Okay.
Got me thinking about when you.
Shit. All right. Running around.
No,
Trust is coming.
no.
You've been running around. I just wanna trust you.
No. Did you even hear that in the song?
I think so.
It was You Just Want Attention.
Oh.
It was attention.
Alright, that's my 3 guesses.
Yeah, it was attention.
Oh, attention?
Yeah.
Damn it.
You just want attention. It kept on repeating that. I told you. He was repeating to help you.
Okay, my turn. Make you win that one here. You're not winning.
Stop talking about what? Today, miss.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Today, miss.
Okay, me coming. Me coming.
And you're not even doing it.
Coming. Me looking for the song, lady. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're not gonna know that one, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let me go down to it. Well on there, well on
This is
there.
Jamaican.
Well on there. Can you
This
not
is
get that one,
Jamaican.
yeah? No, it's not Jamaican. Shush. Listen.
Okay.
30 seconds.
Cardi B.
I didn't say the name. Listen, 30 seconds to listen.
Like Cardi B. I think I
I'm up.
know. Okay. Piss.
Piss? Nope.
Cardi B.
Cardi B's the name of the person who's singing.
Yeah, because you said Cardi B.
Nope.
I heard
One more guess.
I don't even know.
I guess. Hurry up today, Missy. Time is running out.
Little.
You said piss. It was press.
So it was press, 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 press.
Press. It was just press.
Ah!
Sight.
You have to give that to me. I said,
No. I said you have to get the word right. You said press.
Did you give me my 3? Okay.
Yes.
So
She said press. It's press. I'm being really strict today.
now I'm
because she's
gonna
not
be
winning.
really strict.
Because she's strict on me, I'm strict on her back.
I never said anything about that. Okay, so my turn.
I feel good.
No, you don't, because you are not ahead of me.
You ready, Tissy? Today, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes. Stop it.
If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane.
I don't know if it's where. I don't know what's there. I don't know if it's there though. Yes, there. No, it's not.
Shush. You're not supposed to tell her this.
Yeah.
I know this song. Okay, time's up. Ignite the light.
Huh?
Ignite the light.
No.
Baby or fireworks?
No.
You should ignite the light. Ignite the light and let it shine.
No.
Well, I don't understand.
It's fireworks.
I said that.
No, but you didn't say the actual thing. You just added stuff. So I told you, since you were so strict with me, it's on. I won.
Okay, I guess we shouldn't be so strict then.
Yeah, exactly.
But you were off. You said pest. Pest as in pest control. I
Press.
said ignite the light. Ignite the light.
Okay, so don't be so strict. If I get it,
Okay,
so
I'm
close,
still on
then-
1. She's on 2. But you're not gonna get this one, so whatever.
If I get it close, then you
No.
have to give it to me.
No.
Okay, so you're
We're
still
still
being
doing
strict.
it, yes.
I'm still gonna be on strict on you, so you won't.
Yes.
Okay. That's how she wants it. Play the thing now.
Okay,
Time ticking.
okay, you ready for this one? Oh?
Yes.
Are you sure you ready?
Yes.
Okay, miss.
Did Did you put it in the middle?
Yes. Hey. 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 Stupid.
Let go.
No. 2 more guesses.
Baby, you don't want to see me sing.
No. 1 more guess.
Well, you still don't get the point, so you shouldn't be happy.
But at least you don't get it.
Baby.
No.
What was it?
Better when I'm dancing. Ooh, that's lekker. Hey, ready. Hey. You know what? Sit. You ready? Can you just push the thing in the middle and start the thing?
I'm trying to get it to the right part, so. Yeah. Oh my god, it is. Ride with me. Ooh.
If it's meant to be,
No.
let it be.
No.
Ride with me.
No.
Oh my
It's
god.
meant to be. You said it's literally so I told you.
I said if it's meant to be.
But I'm strict with you, remember?
But I said if it's meant to be.
You didn't say it ready.
No, Zara, that don't make no sense.
Nope. I always did that to you and you're perfectly fine. So
No,
let's keep it like
listen.
that. You're not changing the rules in the middle of the game. Okay.
I said if it's meant to be.
But you didn't say it regularly. You just said with something else. So
What did I say?
you said if it's meant to be.
And what is the song name?
Meant to be.
I said that too.
No, you didn't. You said
Listen.
You said let it be. You didn't say meant to be.
Okay.
So add 4 and I'm watching.
No.
Okay.
I think each of us should do 5. It's too much for 10. 10 is too long. Each of us is doing 5. So each of us is going to do 5
only.
only. 10 is too much. We don't want this video being
What
too
are we
long.
at right now?
You're at 4, I'm at 3.
Okay,
So this is my turn now.
Your turn.
So disgusting.
I'm your sister.
Okay.
Oh.
No, I'm not giving you this one. You're definitely going to know this one. No, I'm not playing no games with you no more.
You know that I know the song.
You know it?
Yeah. You can't do that.
What do you mean?
You can't switch it. I'm the one who downloaded that.
You're crazy. You did? No.
Yep, you can't switch.
No. Sarah. No, you downloaded
You
it.
can't.
No. Don't tear my phone.
I will.
No, you can't get
You
this one.
can't.
You download it to my phone. It's not fair. You better you never say nothing then. I can't give you the song that you download. You know.
Okay. Hair back and forth. I whip my hair back. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back.
Oh my god. Messing up my hair. What's the song?
Whip my hair back and forth.
Let me see if that's the correct word.
Whip my hair back and forth.
That's one.
This is wrong. Okay. I whip my hair back and forth.
You just said that.
No, I said whip my hair back. It's not.
Wait, you said what the first one?
I said whip my hair back and forth.
Okay, no.
I whip my hair back and forth.
No. One more guess. One more guess. Come on, today. Time is going.
Ponytail. What was it? What was it? Wait.
Whip my hair. How whip my hair? Let's play this song. I'm happy. Let's play this song.
Well, you didn't win.
Okay. You didn't win either. Yo.
Wait, this is your last one?
No. We have one more left each.
Okay.
So she's still on 2. I'm on 1. I need to at least tie with her. This is our last song that she's gonna give to me.
Wait, what if it?
My hair, my hair, how with my hair.
Kizzy, shush. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. I get it. I get it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just for it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I get it. I want it. Your ring, but misses. Matching diamonds for 6 a month. Round I've been with my friends with no riches. Think it's fair with my new addiction. Whoever said money can't solve your problems must not have had enough money to solve them. They say what you wanna say.
Okay. I know the song. I don't know the name though, but let's see if I know the name.
That has nothing to do with this. That's your hint. She said that she knows it, but she probably should.
I won it, I got it.
No. I told you it has nothing to do with the song.
God, I'm gonna lose.
No, it does. One of those parts.
You're not supposed to tell me nothing. I'm gonna lose. Start the timer. Alright, what's my next guess? I don't know.
You said I won it. I got it.
Alright, next one is my hair. You like it? Wait, no.
Okay, we'll take it back. Okay. You can switch it out.
Oh my god, I don't know it.
I have hiccups, sorry.
I don't know
Let me
it.
try stop. That was a big one. You know, you want like that was nothing in the song.
Ring.
That was 7.
Ring. No?
That
I
was
did it
3.
over. Ring. Ring is not one?
No. The whole thing over?
Ring. Yes, I did. I wanted, I got it.
Yeah.
Makeups and ringtones.
And you said ring.
And ring.
No, it was 7 rings.
Sorry, it was ring.
No, it was 7 rings. Either way, you wouldn't have got that right.
That means I don't have to even do the second song because you win. You're still a point above me. Oh my god. Why do you keep winning these challenges?
Because everybody knows that they like me.
I don't know why she keeps winning these darn challenges. So this is the score, guys. She's at 2. She's her over here, and I'm at 1 over there. So can you sit down?
No,
So she's right. So Zara won, guys.
prepared for my feet.
Gonna have to
Set
give
your
her-
timer for 15 minutes.
Oh my god.
I told
I
you.
didn't say 15. I said 5.
You said 15.
No, I
Stop it.
I don't remember saying.
Yes, you do. Check the beginning and tell me that I'm right.
Okay.
It was 15.
I set the 15 minutes, so now I'm gonna massage her ugly feet.
Not ugly.
Give it to me.
Nail polish, though. It's not ugly. So enjoy.
I always get these dumb things, lose these dumb challenges. The end of our video. My hands are always killing me from this one. I don't
And
know
these
why
are so
I get these
massaging.
crazy things to do to her. Why can't I just win one challenge? Just one. Well, did I ever win a challenge before?
No.
Really?
No.
Could have sworn I win something.
No, you didn't.
Anyways, that's the end of our video. Zara, please finish the video.
So make sure to subscribe, like, comment,
Put a thumbs up, guys. I will see you in our next video.
and also Kizzy will link the description to all the rest.
Yeah. Check our description for some more of our funny, interesting videos.